This was the largest beach landing in World War II. About 2.87 million Allied soldiers poured into Normandy, France. The 101st Airborne Division of the U.S. Army was the vanguard. They were preparing to jump off the plane at this moment, but they were attacked fiercely by German artillery fire. The flash bomb instantly illuminated the entire night sky. A plane was broken into two pieces right in front of them. It fell directly from an altitude of 10,000 meters. In just 3 minutes, 8,400 lives were taken. Suddenly, there was a loud bang, and the plane that Company E was riding was hit by a shell. A fire broke out instantly. The pilot opened the cabin door urgently. Winters led his comrades to jump down quickly in the hail of bullets. After landing, he found that all his equipment was lost. Fortunately, Hull, a signalman from Company B, landed near him. The two hurriedly looked for a hiding place. On the way, they met several soldiers from the 82nd Division. They said they had just seen a road sign with St. Melly Church. Winters took out a map and a compass and found that they were still 7 kilometers away from the scheduled location. There were only 4 hours left before the mission started. They had to set off immediately. Among the soldiers present, Winters had the highest rank. Naturally, he became the temporary captain. He led everyone along the way. During the journey, he met several lost soldiers from Company E. Suddenly, there was a sound of horse hooves. Winters asked everyone to hide first and then check the situation. Unexpectedly, a soldier directly launched an attack. Fortunately, the enemy had few people. They were all wiped out before they could react. After a long journey for a period of time, several people finally successfully arrived at the destination. The friendly troops who arrived in advance had already been waiting here. Then, bad news came. Lieutenant Meehan, the commander of E Company, was confirmed to have been killed, and 90% of the troops in the company had not yet assembled. At this moment, Winters not only had to serve as a temporary commander, but also had to take on the key task of changing the situation. The battalion headquarters urgently ordered E Company, destroy the German troops 300 yards ahead who were firing at the beach landing point. This was a fierce battle because Company E currently had only 12 people, and the German personnel configuration was unknown. The only thing we knew was that they were equipped with multiple 88mm cannons. Winters could only assign tasks to each member of the team, and then head to the battlefield without looking back. But the reality was far more severe than imagined. The Germans not only had cannons, but also many machine guns on the flanks. A frontal attack was tantamount to suicide, but fortunately, Company E had Winters. He showed unparalleled talent in his first command.